Hi everybody, thanks for coming. Sorry for the delay. It's our first time we're doing multiple sessions of our Epic Award winner. So hi everybody online. That's not awkward. I'll take that. Sure. So thank you for coming. This is our second Epic Award assembly for the year. And so if you are not familiar, we recognize these students for their behavior and their attitudes towards schools. EPIC stands for enthusiasm, perseverance, integrity, and courage. And then we also like to say EPICER because we've added empathy and respect on that as well. And the students that are sitting on the stage behind us have exemplified that for the second quarter. And so we're going to announce their names. The other thing we want to talk about is we have kind of a special clap that the kids will be doing in the classroom. We'd like you guys to do it here just because it's kind of fun and that's how we roll your trail. So how we do it is we simply tap on our thighs is C, E, E. So can we practice that together? All right, let's stop. All right, ready? You ready? Here we go. Perfect, and that's how we're going to zip through all of our names. They're super excited. I've told them to make sure that they get the picture, but at the end, we'll let you guys come up on stage. You can take as many pictures as you want. Again, thanks so much for coming. Thanks for all of you online for joining us, and all right, we'll get it started. Give a warm welcome to our Epic Award winner. All right, let's get this started. I'm going to start with fourth grade just because we've got students that I can go. All right. Aaliyah Summers.
And Luna Valle.
Oh, you guys are so good. Amari Watson.
And Sabra Newbell.
Ayana Love.
Julio Ibarra Montenegro.
Jaden Francione.
Brian Bruyere.
Kai Anston.
Hunter Watson.
All right, let's give our fourth graders a big hand. All right, moving on to fifth grade. Lady Yonner.
And Stephen Hellstrom.
Alexa Gomez.
Evelyn Golf.
Roman Crawford.
Isabella Argos Pontus.
Riley Bruce.
Gavin Anderson.
Jack Schroeder. And let's give our sixth graders a big hand, please. We're moving on to sixth grade. Eva Lancelotti.
John Noble.
Riley Harper.
Scarlett Kirby.
Nick Bernal.
Ashby Dar. And Willow Armstrong.
All right, let's give those sixth graders a big hand. All right, Miss Nina, let's move on to first grade. Yeah, all right, first grade. Freddie Schofield.
Isaiah Shervanti.
Brooklyn Meyer.
Dominic Owen.
Alex Coleman.
Jensen Medina.
Morgan Garrison.
Ivy Jakubowski.
Elizabeth Bunt.
And Jameer Connors.
All right, let's give our first graders a big hand. Second grade. Waverly Schreiber.
Emma Siebert.
Silas Bale.
Grayson Schatz.
Piper Brickman.
Miles Jones. And Josie Thompson.
All right, give a big hand. All right, here comes our third graders. Jackson Riley.
Chance Piatok.
Tyler Jefferson.
Anila Pruitt.
Go, sir.
McKenna Cassidy.
Adeline Gamble. And Hunter Atkins.
All right, let's give a hand on those first. All right, kindergartners, your time now. Elias Rodriguez Montes.
Luna Treadway.
Decker Hastings.
Ellie Minu.
Maya Chambers.
Araya Chandler.
Itzel Baca.
Good job, Itzel.
Riley Boyer.
Good job, bud.
Vincent Amorosa.
Good job, buddy.
All right, let's get those kindergartners. Thank you all for coming. We really appreciate it. Come on up, take as many pictures as you'd like. Kids, just stay here, listen to your parents, and thanks again for coming.
Okay.